so welcome back to my channel. Today I figured I would do like a really short and quick get ready with me. Basically, I've done my face, but I wanted to show you how I curl my hair using my T3 curling wand with the tapered barrel. That is like my holy grail when it comes to curling my hair. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That way you can always see lots of fun videos with yours truly. Other than that, let's get to curling this mess that's sitting on top of my hair right now because I need to finish getting ready. I'm in Vegas right now, so yes, I'm on vacation and I'm still thinking of y'all, but I need to finish getting done so then I can go have some fun. Alright y'all, and here is the finished product. As you can see, I have some gorgeous soft waves created with the T3 little tapered barrel. So basically, I divide my hair, I split it on each side of my head, hold the barrel down. On the left side of your head, you take the hair, you just wrap it around towards the back. Same then on the right. Barrel down, and then on the right side, you just wrap the hair round like to the back. I do small little sections of my hair, that way I can like really get every piece for like the heat to hold, because I have like, it's like thin but yet thick enough to where like I need to divide them into smaller sections. And then I take my wet brush, as you saw, I use this little baby right here, and I just gently brush out the curls. That way they're nice and soft and like a wave in a way. And then I use some like dry shampoo to give like a little extra lift to my roots because, you know, just wanted to. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me on curling my hair today. I'm gonna finish getting ready. Like I said at the very beginning, I am on vacation right now in Vegas, and I think we're getting ready for dinner. So my boyfriend's just finishing up with his job that he's here for right now. So I am going to get changed and get out of here to have some yummy, yummy dinners because I'm hungry. Other than that, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me curl my hair. If you maybe learned something new, that's great. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That is so greatly appreciated. I will have the link to my curling wand right below, and I think he just got home. There he is.
Just kidding.
He must have had a bad day at work, or he's just tired and ready for dinner too. But anyways,
Yes!
Hey, I'm taping. Anyways, leave me questions, comments, anything like that below. Until next time, bye y'all.